The time right now, it is 4:12 on this first day of February. It is Friday. It is National Wear Red Day. So we hope that you're wearing red today.
And I promise, I have red on. I don't have a red coat.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So you look beautiful as
Thank
usual.
you.
Got all the red and everything else. Look, I got the hat and gloves. Don't have a pair of those red either, but you're going to need it because everybody's cold. It's not quite as windy. I mean, the wind was blowing around chairs and garbage things and everything else, and ice jams and everything else causing flooding. Here's the deal about the wind today. The wind is still going to be gusting to 30, 35 miles an hour. While the speed isn't as bad, what it's doing, though, is producing a lot of heavy lake effect snow to the north. And despite the fact that the snow is going to be moving quickly through, the timing is bad, Lisa. I'm kind of worried about the morning commute for some of us. So let's have a look at it. It really depends on when the band comes through and where your destination is and what time you need to be on the roads. Have a look. Here's live triple Doppler radar. Well, you can see the temperatures are all in the upper teens, the lower 20s. I can see the moon out. That's very notable for lake effect. Usually when you have lake effect snow that's not being interfered anywhere else, you've got heavy snow in one spot and not a whole heck of a lot elsewhere. I will mention this, even though we're not going to talk about it beyond this. There was some squalls that went through the southern tier that is now moving into the Route 17 corridor. That produced a quick couple of inches there across the central and southern tier. That's out of the way, though. Just FYI on the roads down in the southern half of the viewing area. But it's the snow that's happening right now just north of the county. You know, we say Route 31. Well, there's Route 31 right there. Well, this is literally just to the north of Onondaga County where we're snowing and snowing hard right now in Central Square, Hastings. It's still pretty good in Parrish in terms of the snowfall rates. Just around Westdale, snowing heavily, and also north of Oneida Lake. Heavy snow right now in Fulton, Balney, Moon Beach, and Fairhaven. The snowfall rates inside this dark band, snowing at the rate of up to 2 inches per hour. It had been basically stationary in this spot, and then over the last couple of hours, it's been sagging south. And if you look carefully over here, you can see it's beginning to drop even further south. So this will likely bring the band down to the Syracuse area. If I had to time it out exactly, I would say, about 7, 8 o'clock, roughly sometime during the morning commute. And there it is. By 8 o'clock in the morning, I have it around the Syracuse area or maybe through. The bottom line is it's going to bring a very fast inch, 2 or 3, depending on how slow or fast it moves through, across the central northern part of the area. After that squall passes through the entire area, the rest of the day, it's lighter flurries and snow showers, certainly feeling like February. How much snow are we going to get between right now, even up north where it's snowing heavily? Just wipe the slate clean. From right now to 5 p.m., this is the new snow I'm expecting. With the squall coming through, I just mentioned a quick couple of inches this morning and then grinding together another inch or 2. Probably going to be good enough for everybody in the dark blue to get 2 to 4 inches of snow. I know the band isn't going to last very long in Oswego County, but it's snowing at the rate of 2 inches per hour. Even if it just snows there for 2 more hours, that's 4 inches solid, and they'll probably grind together another inch or 2. That puts you solidly around 6 inches in that white area that you see, lower amounts in the light blue, and not really anything in the north country. Overnight tonight, there'll be more snow showers and flurries southeast of the lake, and notice a little bit of intense lake effect. Probably good for another widespread inch or 2 with localized amounts of up to 4 inches of snow overnight. Then the lake effect is primarily a Jefferson County thing for Saturday. Elsewhere, most of central New York, it's limited dim sun, then increasing clouds with afternoon flurries. Flurries likely Saturday night and into Sunday. And note on the 7-day forecast, we're staying very February feelish right through the period. It is a weather alert. You will want to stay tuned to the networks of CNY Central. Don't forget to download our mobile app to keep an eye on that radar and any school closings and delays that may come in. These snow squalls, while won't lasting very long, will be rather intense, Lisa, and I'm going to watch it like a hawk through the morning for you. Back inside.